You have bananas, but your bananas are a mess. Some are for saving, some for spending. Some are old, angry bananas called debt. Monkey sad. You go to the big bank, a giant, scary building. It holds your bananas, but it also eats some of them. They call it fees. Your savings banana gets smaller. Your debt banana gets bigger. The bank manager is a fat monkey in a suit. He just smiles. You are confused. Your bananas are disappearing. But what if the bank wasn't a building? What if it was magic in your phone? Meet SoFi. It's a bank that lives in the cloud. No giant buildings, no fat monkey managers. Fewer fees, more bananas for you. SoFi looks at all your messy bananas, student loans, credit cards, savings, investments, and puts them all in one place. One neat, tidy pile. It's a one-stop shop for your money. Monkey happy. A banana juggle. This is you, a monkey juggling. This banana is your student loan. It's heavy. This one is your credit card debt. It's on fire. This tiny one is your savings. It's sad. You drop them all the time. It's a banana circus and you are the clown. Monkey very sad. The discovery. Then you see another monkey. He's not juggling. He's chilling on a hammock. Next to him, a big beautiful pile of bananas. What's his secret? He points to his phone. A little blue icon. The one-stop shop. You get the phone. You download the app, SoFi. Whoa, all your bananas. On the screen, the heavy student loan banana, the burning credit card banana, the sad little savings banana, all lined up. For the first time, the mess makes sense. Monkey curious, taming the angry bananas. SoFi looks at your heavy student loan banana. It says, that banana is too heavy. Let's trade it for a lighter one. This is called refinancing. Poof, the angry banana is gone. A new, smaller, shinier banana appears. It has a lower interest rate. Suddenly, you can breathe. Monkey less sad. Making bananas grow now. The fun part, SoFi shows you a little jar. Investing. It says, you take a banana peel, a tiny piece of a banana, and you drop it in. You check back later. The peel is a tiny banana, then a bigger banana, then a small bunch. Your money is making more money. Monkey understand now. Financial freedom. Look at you now. No more juggling. No more circus. Your bananas are in a neat pile. Your debt banana is small and manageable. Your investment jar is growing a banana tree. You have a checking account, a savings account. You are in control. You are the boss of the bananas. Monkey happy, very happy. The happy monkey goes to a grocery store. He picks up a real banana. He pulls out his phone and confidently taps the SoFi app on the banana. He waits. Nothing happens. He taps it again, harder. The cashier, another monkey, just stares. The monkey looks at his phone, then at the banana. Confused monkey face. So, not for all bananas. Getting your bananas in order doesn't have to be a circus. SoFi makes it simple. One app. All your finance, more bananas for you. Want to learn more secrets to make your banana pile grow? Smash that subscribe Chimponomics button and ding the little bell so you never miss a tip. Comment below with your biggest banana headache. We'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy, chimps.